Is your Epson printer skipping lines, leaving streaks, or some colors completely missing? Today I'm going to show you the exact software trick to fix this 100% using the built-in head cleaning tool. Let's jump right into the computer. Now, first open your control panel. Go to start and type control panel. Click on control panel and go to devices and printers. View devices and printers. Okay, and go to printers and scanners, then click on your printer and go to printing preferences. Once that window opens, you want to click on the maintenance tab at the top. This is where all the magic happens for fixing print quality. Before we clean anything, we need to see exactly which colors are clogged. So you can click on print head nozzle check. So now you might see a communication error on my screen right now. Don't worry about that. I'm recording this software tutorial on my editing station without a printer plugged in. For you, as long as your printer is turned on and connected with paper loaded, it will print out a test pattern. Look at that pattern. If there are if there are gaps or broken lines on the grid, it means your print head is clogged. Since we have gaps, so we need to run a cleaning. Go back to the maintenance tab. This is the maintenance tab. And click head cleaning. Print head cleaning. Click start. So after that, you have to click on start to begin the process. Your printer will start making some noise. This is normal. It's pushing ink through the nozzles to clear out the dried ink that's causing these skipped lines. And once it's done, it will ask you to print another nozzle check. Do that and compare it to the first one. If the lines are solid, you are 100% fixed. If there are still a few tiny gaps, wait about 10 minutes and run the head cleaning one more time. A quick pro tip, don't run more than 3 head cleanings in a row or you'll waste your ink. Give it time to soak if it's really stubborn. If this video helped you get your printer back to perfect condition, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps the channel out. See you in the next fix.